So I had a comment, how do Welsh nationalists expect to fund Welsh independence? You have a population of 5 million. Well, the population of Wales is actually 3.2 million, not 5 million. But this comment got me thinking, can you think of a country with a population of around 5 million people that gained its independence from the UK in the last century or so? I can, and as the crow flies, it's only 30 miles away from Wales. In 1921, Ireland gained its independence from the UK. At the time, Ireland was poorer than Wales. Fast forward a century and it's now one of the richest countries in the world. So what happened? Just over 100 years ago, Wales was industrial and Ireland was poor and rural. Ireland has used its independence from the UK to join and stay within the EU, to attract global investment and to build a modern, thriving economy. But in Wales over the last 100 years, we've lost our industries thanks to Westminster policy, we've had Brexit, and we're never a priority economically, whichever London-based party is in power across the border. These days, Ireland's GDP is estimated to be more than 4 times that of ours here in Wales. And Ireland isn't perfect, it has its challenges, and we may not agree with every one of its policy choices. But look, the bottom line is that independence from the UK has made Ireland richer, whilst dependence on London has left Wales languishing at the bottom of a Westminster priority list. And let's be honest, we're not even on the list at all, are we? So to those who say Wales is too small to be independent, so was Ireland, until it wasn't. The question isn't whether Wales is too small or too poor to be independent. The question should be, what could we achieve here in Cymru if we had the same tools Ireland had?